Okay, so we're watching Barbie and the Magic of Pegasus, and Anna Marie thinks this part's really funny.
No! No!
Hold on, a little bit more. Okay.
No, not a word.
Please. Please.
Why is that part so funny?
Right here.
Why is that part so funny? And there's baby. There's my baby.
By sheer ice.
And there's my Betsy with all the Barbies on the floor.